The second looper shape tutorial is assuming you pass the first looper basic tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll record based on our sequence from looper tutorial 1. Quantize our loop notes to stick to the rhythm. Add notes to a recorded loop. And reset the loop. Let's start by going to sound 6. We still have what we made in the first looper basic tutorial. So I'll press play by pressing the first combi. Okay. We have that beat going. And we have the sixth sound in our keyboard. Now, when the loop is playing, if I'll press the record button on the second combi, the recording will automatically start at the beginning of the next bar, and automatically end at the end of the loop length, which is now set to 1 bar. So I press in the middle of the bar to have enough time to get ready for the recording. Oh, no, the loop doesn't sound so accurate. There are a few things that I can do, but because we recorded on an automated loop start and end, there is no need to fix the loop start or its length, just to press the quantize combi, the 7th combi, and hope it'll fix my lack of rhythm. Let's add some tones to the recording, but first make sure that we're actually adding, and not deleting and re-recording on that bar. The 10th combi decides that. Let's set it as add to. So we actually add music to whatever was recorded there. Okay, I'm going to record by pressing the second combi button. Again. Well, I don't like that bass line. So I'm ready to record it all again. I'm holding the 4th combi, reset, and combining it with the combi button that says loop, because I just want to reset the loop. So, that's the second combi, loop, pattern. Okay, that's enough for a second loop basic tutorial. You can explore those features now on your own. Enjoy looping around.